Hey everyone, I'm here at Legoland Florida with my daughter Spencer, and we are here outside the brand new Lego Movie World. We're going to check out some new rides like Masters of Flight and Unikitty's Disco Drop and the Battle for Bricksburg boat ride. Are you excited to ride all this, Spencer?
Yes.
You looking over there? I think you're ready to go in.
Playground.
Oh, I can't forget the playground, of course. And we're going to meet some characters like Unikitty and Sweet Mayhem.
And the dragon ride.
We'll do the dragon ride later. She loves Legoland. But we got some new things to do. You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. First off, I gotta say, I'm loving your Unikitty attire here.
Thank you very much. I was very happy. I think I've been the envy of a lot of Unikitty fans today, for sure.
And fans of Unikitty will find lots to do here at the Lego Movie World. Unikitty's involved. There's so much to do. What are they gonna find when they walk in?
They are going to find 3 brand new attractions, a character meet and greet where you'll be able to meet Unikitty, of course, and taco every day, because who wants tacos on just Tuesday? We want to eat them every day, of course. Exactly. And you'll just be walking the streets of Bricksburg. What we've done is brought the 2 Lego Movie films, the Lego Movie, the first one, and then the Lego Movie, the second part, to life here.
And it's something for everyone to do, from the old to the young, right?
There really is, and your kids are the perfect example. You know, some of them you can go shopping with them, or you can go climbing up in Benny's Playship behind us here, or you can go soaring on Unikitty's Disco Drop.
Hi, I'm Spencer. Riding Unikitty Disco. I did it!
You did it! Good job!
Now we can ride the boat!
We can go ride the boat, yes. That, and of course, fans of the old Chima attraction will recognize the Battle of Bricksburg as the old Quest for Chi.
That's right. It's been completely rethemed, but kids absolutely love a water ride. So this time you're going to be trying to defeat those Duplo aliens. They're trying to steal all the Lego bricks. So you just spray the water at the targets, or you spray your parents walking by outside of the ride. Whatever you want to do, it's a lot of fun.
What is so unique about your marquee attraction, though, Masters of Flight? Because I've heard some cool things about that.
It really is totally unique. It's a first of its kind flying theater attraction. What will happen is once you climb aboard Emmett's triple decker couch, you'll do a 180-degree turn, and that makes it a first of its kind attraction. Once you make that turn, it'll reveal a giant dome screen, and then you'll go flying through the Lego Movie universe. And when you're in Cloud Cuckoo Land, of course I'm going to lean into Unikitty here because she might be my favorite. And then you'll be smelling the cotton candy and feeling the wind blow on your face. It is totally immersive.
Let's try this. Hey, we're flying and we're falling.
Under attack! You wanna play? Let's play.
We be battling terrible enemies. Little kids.
Now, of course, these rides, you're immersed into this Lego world, but if we want to meet one of your Lego friends that are part of the world, can you meet them here?
You sure can. Emmett's super sweet. You can take a seat on the couch with him, take a picture. There will always be one of your Lego friends to meet. You can also take pictures with different backgrounds, so it puts you in different scenes of the films.
So we had such a blast here today at the Lego Movie World. Such a great addition to Legoland Florida. Spencer loves everything. Spencer, which was your favorite ride here?
It's favorite ride.
The boat ride?
Yes.
Because you're all wet.
Mommy, go in the boat again.
You gonna go on again?
Yes, we need to ride the boat again.
Okay, we'll go ride the boat again. So the Lego Movie World is now open here at Legoland Florida. I got a Destiny here with a lot of water. I don't have a towel.